Class 3 for SSC CGL 2017. This is regarding Earth information and latitude and longitude. सबसे पहले मैं यह बता दूं कि ये नीचे दी गई सारी जानकारी ब्रिटेन का एनसाइक्लोपीडिया से ली गई है, जो बिल्कुल प्रामाणिक स्रोत है। Information about Earth. Earth is the planet that orbits the Sun between the planets Venus and Mars. Earth is at a mean distance from Sun of 149650 km. And mass of the Earth is equal to 5.974 into 10 to the power 24 kg. The solid part of Earth lithosphere consists of three layers: crust, mantle, and core. Crust. What is crust? The thickness of the crust is 32 km under the land and 10 km under the sea. The relative density of crust is 2.7. It consists largely of sedimentary rocks overlaying igneous rocks. The composition of the crust is oxygen 47%, silicon 28%, aluminium 8%, and iron, calcium, sodium, potassium, and magnesium are the other components. Mantle and core. Mantle. It is 2900 km below the crust. Relative density is 5.5. It consists mainly of silicate rocks. Core, below mantle up to center. Relative density is 13. Maximum temperature of core is 6400 Kelvin. Latitude. ये जो लाइनें हैं, these lines are called latitude. इक्वेटर के ऊपर नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड एंड इक्वेटर के नीचे साउथ लैटिट्यूड. Latitudes. Parallel of latitude are circles drawn around the earth parallel to the equator. Their diameters diminish as they approach the poles. These parallels are specified by the angle subtended at center of the earth by the arc formed between a point on the parallel and equator. All points on the equator therefore have a latitude of 0 degree, while the north pole has a latitude of 90 degree north and the south pole of 90 degree south. Named latitudes on the earth besides the equator. 4 other parallels are of significance: Arctic Circle 66 degree 34 minute north, Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 26 minute north, Tropic of Capricorn 23 degree 26 minute south, Antarctic Circle 66 degree 34 minute south. Length of 1 degree of latitude. The length of 1 degree of arc of latitude is approximately 111 km. It is varying because of the non-uniformity of Earth's curvature. It is 110.567 km at the equator and 111.699 km at the poles. Position of main latitudes on Earth. यहाँ हम देखते हैं इक्वेटर के ऊपर ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर एंड आर्कटिक सर्किल एंड इक्वेटर के नीचे ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न एंड अंटार्कटिक सर्किल. Now longitude. These lines are called longitude. Longitude are the meridians of longitude are half great circles passing through both poles. They cross parallels of latitude at right angles. In 1884, the meridian through Greenwich near London was selected as the prime meridian and designated as 0 degree. Other meridians are defined by the angle between the planes of the meridian and the plane of the prime meridian, specifying whether it is east or west of the prime meridian. The distance per degree of longitude at the equator is 111 km and at the pole is 0 km. Facts about lines of longitude. Longitude are known as meridians, run in the north-south direction, measure distance east or west of the prime meridian, are farthest apart at equator and meet at the poles. Longitude cross the equator at right angles. It lie in planes that passes through the earth axis. Meridians are equal in length and halves of great circles. The clear picture of latitude and longitude. This is prime meridian. These are all meridians, other meridians. This is equator, which cut the earth into half, equal halves. What is horse latitude? Horse latitude is situated between either of the two subtropical atmospheric high pressure belts that encircle the earth around latitude 30 degree 35 degree north and 30 degree 35 degree south, and that generate light winds and clear skies. Because they contain dry subsiding air, they produce arid climates in the areas below them. The Sahara, for example, is situated in a horse latitude. The southern hemisphere, which has more water area than the northern, has the more continuous belt of subsiding air. The belts contain several separate high pressure centers and shift a few degrees away from the equator in summer. The horse latitudes were named by the crews of sailing ships, who sometimes threw horses overboard to conserve water when their ships were becalmed in the high pressure belts. These are the picture of how we can measure longitude. This is center of earth and this is prime meridian. When we go west, then we measure from here. Suppose a point, this is New Orleans, 30 डिग्री नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड एंड 90 डिग्री वेस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड. जैसा कि हम देख रहे हैं फिगर में, ये सेंटर ऑफ अर्थ है और ये प्राइम मेरिडियन की पोजीशन है. अब यहाँ से हम एक लाइन यहाँ तक खींचते हैं जो 0 डिग्री प्राइम मेरिडियन है, जो बिल्कुल ही बेस पर है, हाफ ग्लोब के बेस पर ये लाइन है. अब यहाँ से हमने इस पॉइंट का जो हमने एंगल देखा वो 90 डिग्री है. अब फिर पूरे अर्थ को हम अगर यहाँ से ऊपर डिग्री लैटिट्यूड के लिए हम ये एंगल देखते हैं तो हमें पता चल जाता है कि ये पॉइंट को अगर 30 डिग्री नॉर्थ है और 90 डिग्री वेस्ट है तो ये पॉइंट यहाँ पे लाई करेगा. The primary unit in which longitude and latitude are given is degrees. There are 360 degree of longitude, 180 degree east and 180 degree west, and latitude is only of 180 degree, 90 degree north to 90 degree south. Latitude lie 90 degree north to 90 degree south and longitude lie 180 degree east to 180 degree west. Thanking you. If you have any query, you can question, you can email on this address.